Good evening, teacher. My name is Jaime Caiza. Affirmative sentence. 1. I am going to party tomorrow. 2. My mother is going to arrive at the airport the next day. 3. I am going to write a new book next month. 4. My brother is going to study at the university in 2 years. 5. I am going to travel with my wife next year. Negative sentence. 1. I am not going to buy clothes next month. 2. My father is not going to work tomorrow. 3. I am not going to the Christmas party in 3 months. 4. My sister is not going to travel next year. 5. I am not going to see the movie the next day. Thank you, teacher.